Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by enabling the feature and preparing the phone. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch and find Back Tap. Tap the option and pick either double tap or triple tap. This decides how you trigger the shortcut. Now select an action from the list, like Screenshot, App Switcher, or a shortcut you created. Make sure your case isn't too thick and place the phone on a flat surface to test taps. This ensures reliable detection before you move on. Once enabled, customize what each tap does and why it helps your workflow. If you need a multi-step task, like Open App, Start Timer, Start Music, create a shortcut in the Shortcuts app, then assign it to double or triple tap. If a single system action is enough, pick Screenshot or Home. Test by tapping the back with normal force. If you get false triggers, switch to triple tap or tweak the shortcut to include a simple guard step. This balances speed with accuracy. Finish by verifying behaviors. Check back tap while the phone is locked, unlocked, and when specific apps are open, because some apps block background shortcuts. If taps stop working, make sure iOS is updated and restart the iPhone. This often clears sensor glitches. Also check for conflicting gestures or other accessibility settings that might intercept taps. If needed, reassign the back tap to the other tap type. If problems persist, remove the case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.